Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokili. Let us transcribe and sound these words together. Before the transcription, there is need for us to quickly open up the slashes. Alright, that's what I've just done. The first one is receive. Collect. Accept. Encounter. And go. Okay, let me close them up. All right, let's go. Receive, collect, accept, encounter, and go. Receive, collect, accept, encounter, and go. Let me go by just once more. Receive, collect, accept, encounter, and go. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.